So guys, take a look at what AUDUSD is actually giving us, right? So before you go ahead to predict what market will be doing next, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. Now pay attention to this moment right here, guys, on your AUDUSD. You can see that our overall trend on AUDUSD is an uptrend move, right? This is it, right? That is the overall trend, right? It is an uptrend move. But since we don't be predict what market will be doing for the day, since we want to predict what market will be doing for that day, we are going to be making use of the current trend. And the current trend says that we are in a downtrend move. So this is the current trend. And the current trend is on a downtrend move. Now, let's zoom it into our 4-hour time frame. Market did give us a multiple injection at this zone, right? Market has been rejecting from this zone multiple times before this massive low was made. Then here comes the pullback. Market then was able to drop again to give us a new lower low. Here comes the pullback phase, right? This is the pullback, which is an equal lower high, right? This is the pullback. Now markets are now giving us another drop again, a new low. So if you want to go and do anything on this AUDUSD, right, you want your pullback to play out. After the pullback plays out, then you can now start looking for another sell that will eventually drop to give us a new lower low. So a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our AUDUSD. Now the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes, there could be changes. Now, if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates, like and share also.